How emotional mind integration training works. Emotional Mind Integration Online Certificate is a course made up of 8 modules. The online study requires around 2 hours a week plus reading. You'll have an e-copy of Rapid Core Healing complimentary. The course is divided into 7 online study modules and 1 5-day online experiential module. Now, the online learning modules may be done at your own pace as long as you complete up to Module 6 prior to doing Module 7, the experiential module. Each online learning module consists of videos, download information, and quizzes to optimize your learning. The experiential, putting theory into practice, is 5 days in total. This is split into 5 days, Monday to Friday, Module 7. This takes place from 9:30 to 4:30 in Queensland, Australian time zone. Following Module 7 experiential, you'll go back to online learning to complete Module 8, then complete your case studies after Module 8. For those of you that are new to therapy, you will need to do a small code of ethics course online, just to make you ready to work in Australia so that you're across everything you need to do legally and ethically, and then you can start working. So please contact me if you have any questions on the contact button close to where you're looking now. Okay, so hopefully I might see you soon online.